Second and goal from the 7. Right. Created. Out of the backfield, huge hit on Jackson. Will be called a defensive play, a defenseless player on Dante Whitner's head. And that'll be an automatic first down.
They're going to wave this off, and I believe they should.
Running on the field is an incomplete pass.
Walton turned off his microphone. It still is a flag and an automatic first down.
Well, it was all shoulder.
Get a look here, John. And the first contact is turns himself the way you need to, and that's